Hello everyone. So today I'm going to show you guys how to transfer your positive and negative design onto your Mod Podge paper for our Art 1 class. So you notice that I have my Mod Podge paper underneath, and then I decided to put my stencil on top that we have cut out. I've also taped it in two of the sides so that way it doesn't end up moving whenever I'm starting to transfer my design. So you also notice that I actually have mine slightly pushed over to the right hand side, and the reason that I chose to do that is because my design was very left heavy, which means I had a lot of information on this side. It was really close to the edge of the paper, and there wasn't much on this side, so I decided to pull it slightly over to the right so I could help balance it out and put it more or less center on the paper. So a tool that you guys are going to be using today is called a tamper or a spouncer. And this is just to use basically to put paint on this. It's essentially a paintbrush, but to easily tamp that paint into the areas right here that are skinnier and to keep it nice and even. So what I'm going to do is go dip this into my paint. You don't need a lot. And then I start holding down my areas so I don't see any shadows, and I start tamping down wherever I see little cracks that I've cut out. Make sure that you guys don't get to the edge of the paper, because if you do that, then you'll have a harsh line around the outside. You definitely don't want that. I just move my finger around so I can push those areas down that I'm working on. And then once it's done, I'll be able to pull this off and be able to see my design nice, crisp, and clear. You've also noticed that I'm not going over the entire paper, because if there's not a cut there, there's no reason for me to do it. So I'm really careful up on this edge so I don't get black up above that paper line. Okay, I've gotten everything done. I'm just going over a couple of areas that I'm worried about, like the eye, edge of these leaves. Set my spouncer down, tamper, then carefully start peeling my tape off of my Mod Podge paper. Don't let it fall back down if you guys can, so that way you don't have any smears. And then you can see that that design is transferred over onto my Mod Podge paper. Isn't that neat? Thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoy doing yours.